What's up, guys? Adventure Buddies here with another set of travel tips. This time, we're going to talk about road trips, and sometimes those can be pretty exhausting, but here are 4 of our tips to make it the most enjoyable experience. But before we get into it, Jake, tell them what they got to do.
Hit the like and subscribe and the bell for notifications.
You heard the man, Gianna.
Do the intro. Tip number 1, make sure you always bring plenty of snacks and drinks. Tip number 2, always bring stuff to entertain you on a long drive.
Alright guys, tip number 3. When dealing with places of heavy congestion, always use some sort of GPS app, such as Waze. Waze is one of the apps that we recommend, especially here in the highly congested Los Angeles area. Gets you to your final destination the quickest.
Tip number 4, always start your trip with a full tank of gas.
Bonus tip number 5 is always have a groovy playlist. Yes.
What's up, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed our 5 tips on the road. Let's recap it real quick. Tip number 1.
Always be prepared for snacks and drinks.
Tip number 2.
Always be entertained on a long drive.
Tip number 3. Check out that Waze app. Tip number 4.
Have plenty of gas in your car.
And tip number 5.
Have a groovy playlist.
Yeah!
Yay!
All right, Jake, sign us off.